Hernandez, and I'd like to expand a little bit on application week 4 critical evaluation. I'm going to be recording this video and talk a little bit about the importance to understand the different areas of a website and how critical it is to know how to evaluate the legitimacy of the information we find on any website. Alan November recommends that we use a process called REAL, where we through this process we evaluate different areas of the website. And we start with the website address, the web domain or the website address, the URL, and their extensions. We need to recognize the importance of the extensions and what each one of those stands for. And today's website, I decided to look at Martin Luther King website.org, thinking that it was an organization that promoted the information and the facts about Dr. King. I went on the website and selected that option and came up with what appeared to be Dr. King's website. Before I went and looked at the index and evaluate all the information for facts, I wanted to study or to look at the date to see when was the last time it was updated, and also who was the sponsor or hosting that website. I learned at the bottom of the website as I scroll down that it was hosted by an organization called Stormfront. Before I went on and look at different areas of the website on the index and open up some links, I thought it was important to look at Stormfront and see who they were. Stormfront is an organization that stands for White People's Advanced Heritage. So at that point, I kind of had an idea that it was going to be biased, and I went on to look a little bit about what they stand for, and I learned that they promote the white people heritage. That's the best way I could put it. Then evaluating the host and the sponsor. It helps to construct, by evaluating the hosting and the sponsor, it helped me to construct and examine and expand on the website what I was going to be reading in the website information. And that was very critical to distinguish opinion from fact and detect if there was any type of propaganda, which is exactly what Stormfront is doing with this website. I discovered that Stormfront is a propaganda website that promotes white heritage. The paragraph on the left of the website quoted Dr. King's statements that sounded very biased. I like to go back to the website address just because I missed that at the beginning, and say that one of the areas that I wanted to evaluate on the address was a tilde, which it tells if the information you're going to find on the website is personal or it belongs to the opinions of an organization. And I couldn't find a tilde, so at that point I knew it was an organization, propaganda, or information. When you evaluate the sponsor, according to Coiro, it gives you a it gives you a position or a stance to know where to, from what point of view to evaluate that information. Now I'd like to reflect on that information that I was able to look on the website. It is important that our students know how to evaluate websites. Just because the internet came and gave them the world of information to look at, We need to teach our students to be more critical, to evaluate their information, to be more careful, to discriminate, and to learn how to differentiate fact from opinions, and who is a person giving that opinion about a content or a topic. This exercise is very important to possibly have students do it. Evaluate some websites. Learn how to go about finding out who is providing this information and who is behind the information being posted. So this exercise was very important. And in conclusion, I'd like to say that I would be using this activity with my students. This was very helpful to me to look at different areas of the website and understand the components of the website, not just the index, which is what we do most of the time. Just log into a website, go straight into the index, get some information, and not really evaluate whether that information is accurate or it just happens to be somebody's opinion. Thank you.